What's going on, y'all? Stevie Zenith, Rich from Anywhere. So check this out. Today's technique that I want to share with y'all is a technique that really works when you have a product that's already winning, already doing its thing. You're already getting purchases on the product, or you have a brand that's doing really well. You have an ad that's working, that's getting a lot of engagement, and you just want more people to see it. Now, you may know this, you may not know, but Facebook advertising is an auction process. So you're battling and auctioning against other advertisers for the virtual real estate that we call Facebook, all right? So in order for your ad to get seen by as many people as possible, you need to do something different, because doing automatic bidding all the time, which is just setting a daily budget, that's not going to get you the results you need. Facebook's going to enter you into as many auctions as it can. And based off of the algorithm, based off of your relevancy score, based off of your CTR, based off of if the ad is good, Facebook is going to allow you to win some of those auctions and lose some of those auctions. With this technique we call manual bidding, it's a little bit different, because now you're actually bidding and telling Facebook, yo, I'm willing to spend X amount of dollars to actually get my ad seen first. So with manual bidding, you have a better likelihood of actually winning these auctions, because you're telling Facebook, hey, I'll put up the money to get my ad seen, So for instance, if I set up a manual bid and my bid cap is $30, I'm telling Facebook, yo, I got $30 here. I'm willing to spend all $30 to get my ad seen one time. That does not mean that you're going to spend $30 to get your ad seen one time. It just means that you're willing to put up that amount of money to get your ad seen one time. So when you're battling in these auctions and, you're battling against someone who's automatic bidding, their bid cap is only going to be set so high. So if your bid cap is $30 and you're manual bidding, you're actually able to win that auction, because you're only going to spend what's necessary out of that $30 to win that auction. And more than likely, if people are automatic bidding, their bid cap is nowhere near $30. Like I said, it's algorithm based. So that gives you a way better chance of winning. You're going to win a lot more auctions that way. Your ad's going to get seen in a lot more places. But please, please, please remember, if your ad is not proven, if you're just starting to run this ad, don't do manual bidding. This is only for products that have already won, that are already winning these auctions, that are already getting purchases, that have a lot of engagement, that are proven products, all right? So with that being said, only try manual bidding if you are ready to scale up to the next level, because a lot of times people plateau. People don't know what to do next in scaling. So this is a technique you can actually use to bully your way through this virtual real estate we call Facebook advertising. All right. Peace and love. I'm out.